have a friend. Oh, he took the cheese.
Wakey, it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school.
Oh my gosh, there's too many.
Bitch, do it again. I'm motherfucking dead. I'm waiting. Do it again. I'll bite your motherfucking ass. Do it again.
Paco, what is this? What is this? Rosie.
Bitch, I'm the shit. Oh, my mom and my sis had to kick my own blood out.
First hike today. She's doing pretty good. Got a little tired. That's okay. She's doing great.